Easter is a season of renewal, celebration, and creativity, and one of the most beloved traditions of the holiday is decorating Easter eggs. From simple dyed eggs to intricate hand-painted designs, there are countless ways to bring personality and charm to these little symbols of spring. Whether you're preparing for an Easter egg hunt, decorating your home, or simply enjoying a fun activity with family and friends, egg decorating offers a wonderful opportunity to get creative. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of Easter egg decorating ideas that range from classic techniques to trendy and artistic designs. No matter your skill level or style preference, there's an idea here for everyone. So gather your eggs, paints, and decorations, and let's dive into the world of Easter egg artistry. One of the most traditional ways to decorate Easter eggs is through dyeing, and while this method has been around for generations, there are many ways to make it more exciting and unique. The most common technique involves using food coloring, vinegar, and water to create bright, colorful eggs. However, you can take it a step further by experimenting with gradient effects, ombre styles, and multicolored layers. For a fun twist, try the tie-dye method by wrapping eggs in paper towels, dripping different shades of dye onto them, and letting the colors blend for a marbled effect. Another exciting way to add depth to dyed eggs is through wax resist, where you draw designs with a white crayon before dyeing the egg, revealing beautiful patterns once the dye sets. If you're looking for eco-friendly alternatives, consider using natural dyes made from ingredients like red cabbage for blue hues, turmeric for yellow tones, and beet juice for soft pinks. Not only does this create beautiful, earthy colors, but it also adds a natural, rustic charm to your Easter decorations. Did you love these fun and creative Easter egg decorating ideas? Hit that like button and share this video with friends and family to inspire their Easter crafting. If you enjoy painting and want to create one-of-a-kind Easter eggs, this section is for you. Painting allows for unlimited creativity, whether you prefer soft, watercolor-like effects or bold, intricate designs. Using acrylic paints, watercolors, or even fine-tip markers, you can create Easter eggs that look like mini art pieces. A popular technique is floral painting, where delicate flowers, vines, and leaves are hand-painted onto eggs, giving them a romantic and timeless appearance. For those who love intricate details, geometric shapes, stripes, or even gold foil accents can add a touch of modern elegance. Another fun idea is to paint story-themed eggs, where each egg showcases a different scene or design, such as a bunny, a garden, or a sunrise. Minimalist black and white designs with simple line drawings are also trendy and add a sophisticated touch to Easter decor. Painting Easter eggs requires patience and a steady hand, but the results are truly stunning. Each painted egg becomes a keepsake that can be displayed for years to come, making it a beautiful way to celebrate the season. What's your favorite Easter egg decorating technique? Let us know in the comments below and share any unique ideas you have. For a more organic and nature-inspired look, consider using materials from the natural world to decorate your Easter eggs. Pressed flowers, dried herbs, and leaves can be applied to eggs for a delicate and botanical appearance. This can be done by carefully gluing dried flowers onto eggs or by using a leaf imprint technique, where leaves are pressed onto the egg before dyeing, creating a beautiful silhouette effect. Another way to add texture is by covering eggs in fabric or lace, wrapping them in twine, or using burlap for a rustic farmhouse feel. These materials create a soft, earthy aesthetic that blends beautifully with spring decor. For a textured, speckled look, try splattering eggs with metallic or dark paint, mimicking the appearance of natural bird eggs. This technique works particularly well with neutral colors and gold accents, creating a sophisticated and understated look. Whether you prefer floral elegance or rustic simplicity, natural egg decorating techniques offer a refreshing and unique take on this Easter tradition. Want more festive DIYs and decor inspiration? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. For those who love contemporary and elevated Easter decor, there are many modern techniques to explore. Marbleized Easter eggs, created using nail polish or oil-based paints swirled in water, result in mesmerizing and fluid patterns that are truly eye-catching. Another modern trend is metallic or gold leaf Easter eggs, where shiny metallic flakes or foil are applied to eggs for a chic, luxurious appearance. This is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your Easter decorations. For a boho-inspired look, try using macrame accents, washi tape, or hand-drawn mandalas to decorate your eggs. If you prefer a sleek and modern aesthetic, consider monochrome black and white eggs with abstract art or typography designs. With so many stylish options available, decorating Easter eggs can be a blend of art, fashion, and tradition, making them a stunning centerpiece for your Easter celebration. For more fun Easter crafts and decor, be sure to check out our Easter playlist for even more creative ideas. Easter egg decorating is more than just a holiday activity. It's an expression of creativity, a celebration of renewal, and a tradition that brings families and friends together. The simple act of transforming a plain egg into something beautiful holds a sense of nostalgia and joy, connecting us to memories of past celebrations while inspiring new ideas for the future. Each decorated egg carries its own unique charm, whether it's a delicate hand-painted design, a bold modern pattern, or a simple pastel-dyed creation. There's something truly special about watching colors blend, patterns emerge, and small artistic details come to life on each egg. The process itself is a reminder of the beauty and simplicity, how something as small as an egg can be turned into a meaningful decoration. As we embrace the spirit of Easter, we also embrace the creativity that comes with it. From natural dyes made from plants and spices to elegant gold leaf accents and modern minimalist designs, there's no limit to how you can make each egg reflect your personal style. The variety of techniques, from traditional to contemporary, makes egg decorating an evolving art form, one that continues to inspire and bring joy year after year. But Easter eggs are more than just decorations. They symbolize new beginnings, hope, and the renewal of life, a reflection of the season itself. As flowers bloom, trees regain their lush green leaves, and the days grow warmer, our decorated eggs become small representations of the beauty that comes with change and transformation. The time spent decorating Easter eggs is just as valuable as the final result. Whether you're dyeing eggs with children, sharing design ideas with friends, or quietly painting intricate patterns on your own, these moments are filled with laughter, relaxation, and shared experiences. In a world that often moves too fast, taking the time to sit down and create something by hand feels refreshing, almost meditative. For some, egg decorating is a way to honor tradition, using techniques passed down through generations. For others, it's an opportunity to try something new, experimenting with colors, materials, and innovative designs. No matter how you choose to decorate, the process is always rewarding. The simple joy of watching colors swirl and dye, adding the final brushstroke to a hand-painted design, or carefully arranging eggs in a decorative basket reminds us of the magic of creativity. These decorated eggs don't just brighten up Easter celebrations, they become part of home decor, displayed in bowls on tables, arranged in festive centerpieces, or hidden for exciting egg hunts. Some eggs may be carefully preserved as keepsakes, while others may be cracked open and enjoyed as part of a holiday meal. No matter their final purpose, the love and effort put into decorating them make them special. What makes egg decorating so wonderful is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. You don't need to be an artist to create something beautiful. A simple pastel egg can be just as charming as an intricately detailed one. The true beauty of Easter eggs comes from the thought, effort, and creativity behind them. As we celebrate Easter, we also celebrate the joy of making something with our hands, spending time with loved ones, and embracing the traditions that bring warmth and happiness. These moments, no matter how small, create lasting memories that we cherish for years to come. Curious about the products used in today's Easter egg decorating? Find links in the description to get everything you need to recreate these fun designs. With each egg that's dipped in dye, each brushstroke that's added, and each pattern that's carefully drawn, we are reminded that even the simplest things can hold meaning. Decorating Easter eggs is a celebration of the present, a nod to the past, and a way to welcome the beauty of spring. And just like spring itself, Easter egg decorating is full of possibilities. Every year brings a new chance to experiment, to try different techniques, and to create something unique. It's a tradition that evolves with time, always offering new inspiration and fresh ways to bring beauty into our homes. Whether you've stuck to classic dyeing methods, explored natural and textured designs, experimented with bold modern looks, or embraced hand-painted artistry, your decorated eggs tell a story. They represent creativity, tradition, and the joy of the season. Each egg, no matter how simple or intricate, is a reflection of the time, care, and imagination that went into making it. So as Easter approaches, take the time to enjoy the process. Gather your supplies, get inspired, and create something that brings joy. Let your Easter eggs be a reminder of the beauty of tradition, the excitement of creativity, and the warmth of the season. Because in the end, it's not just about decorating eggs, it's about embracing the simple pleasures that make this time of year so special.